Interface in C Sharp. What is an interface? An interface is an abstract class. You will see that in example. By default, members of interface are abstract and public. Interface methods have no body. Bodies are provided by implement class with override keyword. So interface is a class, but you do not use the keyword or the term inherit for interface, but you use implement. You implement an interface, you inherit class. Interface can contain properties, methods, but no fields, no attributes. The naming convention for interface is that you always start with uppercase I. For example, ITB. An interface is a contract. This is very important that you understand that an interface is not like a normal class. It is just a contract. It specifies the minimum properties and methods a class must have. When you implement an interface in a class, that class must have all the properties and methods of that interface. You can inherit only from one class, but you can implement different interfaces. You will see that in the examples. This is an example of interface. So you cannot have fields inside interface. Your method has no body. And here we implement this interface inside this class laptop. This class must have price, discount, calculate price. So here again the interface, and here that we instantiate an object of the laptop. So set the price, set the discount, and calculate the price. That is just in practice. And here we have two interfaces, and we have a class kitchen that implements these two interfaces. If you implement more than one interfaces, then you separate them by comma here, as you see, and your class that implements those interfaces must have or contain all properties and methods of the implemented interfaces. So we have here two interfaces, and here we create our own type. This is the type. This is how you can create your own custom type in C#. A custom type is a class. So we tell here for this list that all the items in the list is type tools model, and this is the type. The type has a name type of string and a price type double. So we provide also bodies for these methods. Here we use the class and create object. Here is the object kitchen. We provide value for installation price, discount price, and total installation price is this. Here we provide data for the tools for our kitchen. So blender and its price, toaster and its price, and we create here a list of type tools model. We add the tools to the list, and then we add the list tools to our tools. As you saw in the previous slide, that the tool is type list tools model, so it has to be the same type. That's the beauty of C#, that you can provide a specific type, and it is very useful.